Hi, I'm Diet.
And I'm Jimbo the Baker.
And we are Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch.
Easy little show, so man.
What he said. Today, Jimbo, I'm really excited because today we're going to show you how we make our sweet potato pie. So let's jump right in. We have our homemade pie crust that we made. And if you would like to know how to make it, how will they know how to make it, Jim?
Gotta click up there.
Yes. And I'll also put it in the description below how we did this. And it's a secret ingredient in this. So definitely check out the video so you can know exactly how to make this pie crust. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't like soggy bottoms for my pies.
Hate that.
I don't like it. Like, ugh. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a blind bake for our pie crust. First, I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to go ahead and dock it because I don't want it to rise up. So just docking it just a little, few forks.
A little poking around.
Poking, pokey. Then I'm going to just put some parchment paper in it. And then I'm going to put some baking beans. Yes. Now, if you don't have like baking beans, you can just use regular beans. You can even use rice. But when you use the beans and the rice, you can't cook it later. They're just going to be your pie rice and your pie beans. All right, that's going to hold everything down. I think that's good. And then what we're going to do is our oven is already set to 375 degrees.
That's right.
We're going to bake it for 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that.
BRB.
All right, Jimbo. So while our pie crust is in the oven, we're going to go ahead and start mixing all of this up. Now, with our sweet potato pie, so that we can make sure that we don't over mix it and, do too much, I always like to make our sweet potato pie by hand. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put 2.5 cups of pumpkin puree in this bowl. Now, we have already roasted them. Well, first we started with washing them. We washed, we roasted, we then cut them up and put them in a bowl. We cut out any dark spots that we saw. Then we took our hand blender and we blended it up to take away the strings because sweet potatoes can be very stringy and that's not good in a pie. We did all of that and then we measured it out to make sure that we had 2.5 cups of sweet potato puree. To this, we need to add our sugar.
Hey, sugar.
All right. So we're going to use granulated sugar and brown sugar. So we're going to use 400 cups. Oh my goodness, not 400 cups. Y'all do not do 400 cups. 400 grams of granulated sugar. All right, Jim, granulated sugar.
Granulated sugar.
And scoop it up and scoop it up and scoop it up. Oh.
Scoop it up and scoop it down. Cook it around. And pass it up. Now look around and pass it down. Yeah. Now scoot on down. Give me some more.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes, sir.
All right. Jimbo made it right straight on the money. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pour in our sugar here. And then Jimbo's going to get the brown sugar and we're doing 200 grams of that. Now, if you don't have a scale, you should think about getting one. But if you don't, 400 grams of granulated sugar is actually 2 cups and 200 grams of brown sugar is 1 cup.
200 grams, here we come.
Here we come to save the day. Sugar me down for the pie.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
It was kind of whack.
He said I'm whack.
That's okay, though.
Okay. All right, we're going to go ahead and put that there. We're going to scoot all of this out the way, and then Jimbo is going to get on to the mixing it up. And mix it up. And mix it up. And mix it up. Okay, I'll get the next ingredient.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. How's everybody today? Thank you for stopping in at the kitchen. They have to throw a little butter in there.
We have 1 cup of melted butter or 2 sticks of butter. Ooh. 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 I'm going to get the spatula to get that little bit out. Okay. That last little bit of butter, I didn't want to not have it in there now. All right, there's the butter. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So we need a lemon. Let me see that lemon roll. That lemon roll. Lemon roll.
It's starting to look a little familiar here.
Looks like a sweet potato pie.
Like baby food.
All right. It's squeezle time. Again, Jimbo should have did this. It's okay. I can do this.
Yes. Those muscles to work, girl.
Ooh.
Yeah. Good amount of juice. You did good. Come on. Come on. Come on, I said.
I'm trying.
This is pathetic. Come on, I said. Okay, good job.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Jimbo usually pours it and makes it all precise. I just dip the spoon in. The pie is ready.
The pie is ready.
Well, the pie crust. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in the 1 tablespoon. And Jimbo's gonna get the pie crust out.
Got that lemon juice in there?
Lemon juice is in there. Okay, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of my vanilla bean paste.
What you got for me next?
Allspice. 1 teaspoon. And mix it up.
Yes. Well, this thing coming together now. Woo! Thing smelling right. Give me.
2 teaspoons of nutmeg.
Bing.
Bang.
Bow. Ooh, yeah. Smelling good. The pie crust sitting over there cooling down.
Cool it down.
Cool it down.
Cool it down. Cool it down. Put a comment down below if you know that tune.
Anybody get that right? We'll sing y'all a little something. You get if you can
you
guess.
You get it right, yes. Now the first person who get it right.
Yeah, not everybody.
Not everybody. Well, first, I know, right?
What you got going on over here.
First person who gets it right, we'll sing you something. All right, so we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of cinnamon.
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 That's right.
1.
Cinnamon is the winning man. All right. Hey, this smells good. What?
And 2.
Get a little piece of pie.
Piece of pie. Piece of pie. Piece of pie.
Piece of pie. Piece of pie.
Piece of pie.
Yeah.
All right, 1 teaspoon of salt just to cut a little bit of the sugar and the tang and all of that. Last but not least, we're going to go ahead and pour 1 cup of evaporized milk. That's 1 cup. And we're going to pour it into our sweet potato pie. And Jim is going to go ahead and mix it up. Ready, Jim? For the egg.
Bring on the eggs.
All right, I always like to crack my eggs in a separate bowl. That way, if there is a shell, which actually just happened, I can scoop it out and I wouldn't have messed up my pie crust or pie batter. Pie batter?
Batter?
Batter? Filling. That's the proper word. So don't come for us in the comments. We fixed ourselves. All right. Uno. And I'm putting in the second one. No eggshells that time, Jim.
Wonderful, I say.
All right. Ready for the next one? Or is
On
that
top.
one incorporated? All right. Well, that's it.
That's it. That's all. Now, whoever bring the trash potato salad to not say potato salad. What are we making?
Sweet potato pie,
Whoever bring the trash potato pie to Thanksgiving, you deserve it because we got a video for you right here.
All right. Now we're ready to pour it in.
Pour it in, pour it in. Got your spatula, you ready?
Ready. Stay ready. I don't have to get ready. Be ready. Something like that.
Yeah, stay ready. You gotta get ready.
Ooh, look at this, Jim.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Jimbo. Oh, now. It's about to be on in here now. Y'all, I'm trying to tell y'all. These smells is coming out this bowl. The Jimbo, the baker, the mixed up.
You know what I'm trying to tell them.
I'm trying. Y'all ain't ready for this.
All right.
Now, I'm just going to smooth it on around.
Woo!
It's looking good.
Talk to me now.
And as you can see, Jimbo, this is enough for a deep dish. It was just enough for a deep dish 9-inch pie or 2 regular size pies.
I don't even know if I ever had a 9-inch deep dish pie.
But you about to have one today.
Oh my word.
All right. I think it's good, Jim.
Okay.
So we're going to pop this in the oven for 375 degrees for 15 minutes.
Oh, then it's time to eat?
Not quite. So after 15 minutes, we're going to turn down the oven to 350 degrees and let it bake off for an additional 40 minutes.
Okay, I can handle that.
Okay, go ahead.
Further down, further down. How lucky we are to be alive right now.
Jimbo, and you out there, the time has come to cut into this sweet potato pie. Come on, Jimbo.
Let's get it.
Let's get it. Oh. You hear that? That crisp?
Yeah, this all you right here.
Ooh, yes. Okay. I got a little lifter. All right, here we go. The money shot. Ooh. All right. Cut another piece. You ready?
Yes, indeedy. Delicioso bololo.
What he said. I took a big bite. Okay. One more. Okay. I'm supposed to be talking. If you enjoyed today's video and you would like to see more, please subscribe. And we, Jimbo the Baker and I, Diet, will see you in the next one.